Imagine living on top of a volcano, and loving it. In Iceland, the Earth's heat isn't dangerous, it's deliciously useful. Because of all the volcanoes and hot springs, Iceland uses geothermal energy to power almost everything. Here's how it works: the Earth's underground heat is used to boil water and create steam. That steam spins turbines and, voila! Clean electricity. It also heats homes, greenhouses, and even public swimming pools. No coal, no gas, just volcano power and eco-smarts. It's clean, renewable, and super sustainable. In Iceland, the Earth doesn't just shake, it powers your morning shower.